Straight Talk offers ways to extend your service if you can't renew immediately. The primary method is a 7-day grace period, which allows you to make calls and texts, though data may be limited. Recharging during this period reactivates your service without losing data. If you need a bit more time, consider bridge plans. These are temporary plans costing $5 to $15 that provide short-term data or voice extensions, ideal for emergencies. You can add these through the Straight Talk app or website. Remember, these don't extend your main plan indefinitely, they just bridge the gap. There are a few ways to request extensions. You can call Straight Talk customer service at 1-877-430-2355 or dial TOS 611 from your Straight Talk phone to request a one-time extension, which might be granted for billing issues or hardships, potentially lasting 1 to 7 days. The Straight Talk app and website also let you recharge early or apply promo codes for extensions, or turn on auto-renewal to help avoid letting the service expire. For the best results, recharge before your service expires to avoid any potential fees. Keep an eye on your expiration date through the app. Be aware that extensions are granted at Straight Talk's discretion and may depend on your account history.